Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set app timer on Android phone. Okay, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the digital well-being and parental control right here. Tap on the setting, and here you can set app timer for certain application on your Android phone. You can tap on app timer option. It's right here. Tap on it, then select the application you would like to apply app timer for, and I'm gonna go with InShot. You can select more than one application, and after you're done you can click on set timer. Then here you can pick the days you want to set your timer for right here, and here you can pick the time. And for this InShot application, I'm going to select 6 hour and 5 minutes. Then after we're done, we can click on done. Okay, and now the app timer has been set for this InShot application, and after you have reached your time, you won't be able to open this InShot application again. Alright guys, and that's how we can set app timer on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.